Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to our honorable speaker, distinguished professor and prestigious listener. My name is Amanat Ali and I'm PhD student at Center for Modern Languages, University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah. I'm pleased to be your moderator here today again for the workshop series, Practical Writing Approaches workshop series for journal and thesis writing from June to August 2025. So we are delighted to see you again and eager to engage you in this insightful session. And the topic of today's session is qualitative analysis in language and social science research. This research is specifically, this session is planned for students in social sciences and languages in order to understand, to comprehend, and to do qualitative analysis. As you know, this is the second session and it is organized by Center for Modern Languages, University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah in collaboration with the Institute of Postgraduate Studies. So before we start, here are a few important reminders for a smooth session. Please turn off your microphone during the session, turn off your microphone unless you have question to ask, or you may use chat function if something important. If you wish to turn on your camera, kindly use a virtual background which has been sent to you by WhatsApp or email. Lastly, before we officially begin, we will have a photo session with our speaker, so please camera ready. So after 2 minutes, we'll take photos, so you can be ready in 2 minutes. Okay, now it's time to take photos. Please be ready. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Let me introduce the honorable and wonderful speaker. So we are honored to have welcome our wonderful speaker, Dr. Ayril Hamid Muhammad Adnan, a distinguished associate professor from University Technology Mara, Malaysia, with over 2 decades of academic experience. Dr. Ayril is a multidisciplinary scientist whose expertise span applied linguistics, educational studies, psychology, and data-driven research. He is currently on an official attachment with with Malaysia Ministry of Higher Education as a senior principal assistant director. Besides this, Dr. Ayril has authored and co-authored 150 plus scholarly publications, supervised and examined numerous postgraduate theses, and led impactful research projects funded nationally and internationally. Not only this, but also he is a passionate advocate of education for and data-informed learning innovation. He has presented keynote speeches across Asia, Europe, and other continents. His academic insights have also reached the public through 500 articles in print and 200 articles in media appearances. Now let's give a warm welcome to Dr. Ayril as he shares his very aware perception and perspective in today's qualitative data analysis session. The floor is yours now, Dr. Ayril. Please, you can take the stage and thank you.